Guys, a bit of an old video, and it's not a trampoline or molten copper, something that you also like, liquid nitrogen. And yeah, say hello to this guy. That was so long ago, so I need a warm up. I'll start with this can of cola. Do you think it will make that boom? And here it is. Nothing happened after half an hour, but if I get it and put it in a warm place, what the? So, a little epic now. And yes, it's pepper. It will be beautiful in slow motion, promise you. Are you ready? Well, now this egg. And you know what? The liquid is boiling, which means that the egg will be cooked. Yes, exactly. And look, it's boiled. Let's take it and clean it. See, it's really boiled. Oh man, it's so cold. Actually, I would eat it if it were not that cold. So guys, it seems that's it. But wait, we'll show you the time lapse of melting. And now that's it. And as usual, I will share in my next videos the most crazy and unusual ideas for my next experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care. Should I eat it? Where's Timon? Timon, I need your help. We've got to clean all this up. Timon, where are you?